Hi, my name is Shalini Mehta and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach you easy breathwork techniques that you can use anytime, anywhere to calm down your stress easily and effectively. Stress is a common part of our daily life, but it doesn't have to take control. Breathwork is a very powerful tool to manage stress because it helps activate the body's relaxation response by calming the mind and reducing the stress hormone in the body. Diaphragmatic breathing, also called belly breathing, is a simple and effective technique which helps you breathe deeply and fully. So now I'm going to show you how to do this belly breathing. You can do it while sitting down or lying down. It is better if you practice this lying down. So you can put your one hand on the belly and one hand on the chest. And then breathe in through the nose. And as you breathe in through the nose, feel your belly is rising. Feel the air in the belly. And then slowly start exhaling through the mouth. And as you exhale, feel the belly falling or going down and feel the chest expansion. And I'm going to say it again. As you inhale, feel the belly rising and then fill the air in your lungs. Feel the diaphragm expand and then exhale through the mouth. The exhalation should be longer than the inhalation, then it allows the body to relax. Do this kind of breathing for a few minutes. For example, say for 5 minutes when you start this practice. Diaphragmatic breathing can calm your nervous system and reduce the feelings of stress and anxiety. The second breathing technique that I am going to discuss now is called box breathing. It is used to calm the mind and stay focused. It is used by the military personnel and athletes to stay calm and focused when they work under high pressure conditions. For box breathing, you can sit down comfortably, keep your back straight. You can sit in the cross-leg position also if you are comfortable doing that. For starting, breathe through your nose. Inhale, that is for 4 seconds, and then hold the breath for 4 seconds. Feel the breath expanding into your body. Feel your body relaxing, and then exhale through the mouth for 4 seconds and then again hold the breath for 4 seconds before you begin the next cycle. So this inhalation and exhalation with a gap of 4 seconds, when you are holding the breath for 4 seconds while inhaling, after inhaling and after exhaling. This is called box breathing. So practice it for 5 minutes. It helps to reset your nervous system and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. The next technique that I am going to discuss is called 478 breathing technique. If you are feeling really very overwhelmed and highly stressed, before sleeping you can practice this. You can also practice it during the day, but if there is particularly a lot of stress during the day and feeling very, very overwhelmed, then you can do this technique. Here I am going to explain it now. For this 478 breathing, what you need to do is you can do it sitting down or even lying down. So what you need to do is you have to put your tongue beneath the ridge of tissue behind the front teeth. And now as you inhale for the count of 4 and then hold your breath to the count of second. These simple breathwork techniques can be your go-to tool for stress relief. Practice them regularly to manage stress and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos on breathwork and tips and techniques for breathwork. Thank you for watching. See you next time. And remember, a few mindful breaths, and you can create a sense of calm anytime, anywhere.